Do you like Moscow mules, dark and stormies? Well, in that case, this video is definitely for you. I'll be mixing tequila, mezcal, pineapple, ginger, lime, club soda, and a little bit of Angostura. Sounds complicated? I know, but trust me, it isn't. It's very simple. It's time to make the Caballo Blanco. This cocktail was created only a few years ago, well, 2013 to be exact, and it's part of a cocktail family called Bucks, or according to me it is. A buck is any spirit or combination of spirits, in this case mezcal and tequila, citrus, and ginger beer. And then if you like, you can add another juice or another ingredient as well. Today we'll be adding pineapple juice, and you're gonna love it. The history behind the buck is a little bit blurry, but it seems to have originated in the late 1800s, but only really gaining popularity after Prohibition ended in 1933. For example, you can find the gin buck in the 1935 Waldorf Astoria bar book. Nowadays, and if you ask me, the most famous bucks out there would be the Moscow Mule, Dark and Stormy, and El Diablo. That is, of course, if you add lime juice to these cocktails, which some people don't. And now, the ingredients. We're going to be using tequila and mezcal. And if you don't know what mezcal is, here's the quick answer. Mezcal is also an agave-based spirit, just like tequila, but it can be made from different agaves and mixes of agaves, whereas tequila can only be made from blue agave. But the main difference is that mezcal is a lot smokier than regular tequila. Then we'll be using ginger syrup, pineapple juice, lime juice, club soda, and Angostura bitters. It seems like a lot, but you'll see, it's not that complicated. The only thing about this cocktail that is a little bit complicated is actually the ginger syrup. You can check out this video where I show you how to make it. We're gonna start with 1 dash of Angostura bitters, 3/4 ounce of ginger syrup, half an ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, half an ounce of your mezcal, one and a half ounce of tequila, I'm just going to give this a quick shake because it's going to be served over ice and with club soda, so you definitely don't want to dilute it too much, okay? Okay, hold up. So why am I not using ginger beer? Well, basically what I'm doing is I'm making my own ginger beer here. I made the ginger syrup and I mixed that with club soda, so you have sugar, ginger, and the sparkling sensation from the club soda. So that is basically a ginger beer. Makes sense, right? And the reason why I'm doing this is because I can control the strength and the spiciness of my ginger syrup, which I like. This cocktail is really good, first of all. It definitely has some kick from the ginger, a little bit of spice. You get the smokiness from the mezcal. Pineapple is there, it's a nice little sweetness. Lime juice, just there to balance things out, so it's not too sweet. And then the Angostura works kind of like a backbone to the cocktail. You don't really know that it's there, but you would probably miss it if it wasn't. It's kind of like seasoning and cooking. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Anyway, I hope you had a good time with me today. If so, please hit the like button, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Nu är det bra för den här gången.